We are currently in my 2016 Silverado, and I wanted to put this base knob in there. Call it the Greek. You can see how it's laid out. It looks pretty cool with that design. Well, we decided to mount it right here, and what's cool is this pops straight out. There's plenty of room behind that to mount this. Now, this box here, you can literally mount anywhere under the dash as long as it reaches that, and it reaches your power, your ground, and of course your remote wire. Now, I've got it. Remote wire is over here in my fuse box. Power and ground is mounted to direct power and ground. Now we're going to cut a hole in the dash and mount her up. Okay, so right now I've got it up here, and I taped it because it actually keeps it from fraying the plastic. So definitely get some painter's tape. So now that we've got our hole, you see how smooth it is. You do have to sand it out because it is a very tight fit. Let's get to it. It makes it to where you don't have to put anything to hold it in. I mean, it's going to hold itself in at this point. We have the adapter on the back if you don't want to do all this, and it comes with it as well. But now, check this out. Mounted flush in the dash. So now your back clip, you get this piece that mounts on the back, presses up against it. And you just tighten the nut down on the back. It's going to hold it in place. We went ahead and put it on this one because we went a little ham with the sandpaper. But it works great. Okay, so while I got this out before I mount it, now you can mount this box anywhere you want. This is going to be basically your receiver in the brain. This is going to go right in here, and the clips are recognizable. They're totally different. This is your power one. It goes in the small one. Now, if you have a factory head unit like I have, I didn't want to change it out. I put in one of these little kicker boxes that goes straight to a dash speaker. Now that's just going to receive your signals that go to your RCA straight to your amp. This is the RCAs that go straight to my amp. Plugs into the box. And then you're going to also plug this into here. You see how that goes, guys? Super easy. I mean, mount that box anywhere you want and you're ready to go. Let's check this out. I'm going to go ahead and get it put in. Okay, so we got this mounted, and I've got it mounted right up under the dash. Now I can get rid of my bass knob cable, my bass knob under here, clear up my dash. You don't even see it. And then when you jump in, you actually got a sweet bass knob on the dash there. You can customize it. You can upload your own photos and all, guys. So we're going to... You can see it did cut on. It's still got the little plastic on it. But yeah, that turns your bass up and down.
Alexa, play Q108.
You can hear the subs cutting up back here. Then cut it back down. Hey guys, this is awesome. Something that you definitely want to pick up. If you touch up on the screen, it shows what the Rolex face is. And you got your voltage over here on this side. Come on guys, pick one up. I got the link below. That's how easy it is to install. Okay, I want to show you something though. So we're going to run through some of the settings, and the first one is uploading your personal photo. So get your phone out, it'll show up a link, and then join. And then you just give it just a second. And what this is doing is your phone is actually connecting to it. Then it pulls up the screen there, and then you add a photo.
So you got your settings, you got your clock. This is where you can customize between all the different clock faces, and then you can also set the time for the clock. And then to upload a picture, go to photo library, collections, favorites, pick whichever picture,
And boom.
Boom. Click upload.
And guys, crop your picture to a square. If your picture's not in a square, it won't pop up as beautiful. It does right there on the screen. All right, that's pretty much it. We got clock. That's going to pop up on here as well. So you got a cool clock face. And you got volts. And you got to back out of all these. You can't just go straight to volts. You got to back out. So, but now I got a sweet bass knob flush mounted on my dash. And I'm excited. All right, I want to thank Marcus. He actually developed this. So that's pretty cool. And he's got a link for you to pick it up. Now, I do suggest you pick it up if you got a custom ride and you want something unique. I love it, and I'm going to be using it in probably every one of my future vehicles. Thanks for watching, guys.